Sudan Pavare, and then other Delia, certainly the law from the Hindu Tono Lingu, the Tomo Sayre, Tano Shingi, even like Nishu Kingi, Pokamano, Dela to Trile, Goyagi, Jimtinda, Jamjon, the Rob the Huaina, New Kadamba, being taught the New Kadamba Sayana. Yangunda Matokachi, Timbi, said the Pepiton, Noah Soji, and the Temba huge. In the Noah Soji, the Temba Lonely, and that Memoria, Bogotoni, Chilo Perchini, in the Gidiore, the new Tolia, Mato, Bobai Bichani, Jam Yingi, Marie Bichani, Kili Memoria, the Dis Gogoton, Yoati, Tongo Tongola, Dede, and Jugumel. And then the Susan, Chera de Yongini, English Momolia, Kuzuki, Gogo Kanisto Yume, Tandabal, the Kuzuki, Jajolia, Tarkari Yume, Roger Parangi, Mulu Tuji, Jerome Kutolia, Missy Charger on David, Jerome Kati Yume, New Kadamba Lava in a day, International Shooting Community Lava in a day, Lama Soldier Towa in a day, Minjik Donga number of Tony, Tandabal, the Murda, Jacob. You know what's on you, Temba. The what you only are Toby, the Karkar Giomede, Matu Delia, Sehichiva Lays.
I welcome Helen from Sweden as well as lots of Tibetan from UK as well as from Switzerland. Today we gathered here to send a clear message saying that so-called New Kadampa tradition is a distorted fact of Tsongkhapa's traditional and pure Tsongkhapa Dharma. We are here also to give message to the British public that they shouldn't be fooled by such a New Kadampa traditions tactic. So-called New Kadampa or international Shubden community, there is not a plan. British public cannot be fooled. For that reason, we specifically came from Switzerland and Europe to give a message so that we stand with the British public. We ask British public not to be fooled by their tactics.